Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my friends at TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Rwanda 0. I'm John Papa and my sister Ikamavanu Pumago.
Right, Homa Raifet.
Yeah.
Yabona namuhla sip.
Kulmana.
Abafana be Pirates ne Sundowns. Abankhombisa ibhola. Labe Chiefs abasonzele ngiva amakhada man. Ngiyakotola man, ngiyakotola. Lamthuthu. Ababuye bola mthuthu. Yabona kukhuluma liqiniso.
Yeah.
Igame yanamuhla beyimnanzi beba ku level le right bafana badlalile kude player le Chiefs le disturbile shabalala uTekTongeta amapasses akakethe ukudlala ibhola uTekTongeta amapasses and vele lesikhathi angenile igame already besiyiwinile besamthing ngoba uqalele ebenchini wadla ama ice 90 minutes onke basiyekela si pine downs sadlala
Ngabaqola ama ice
yeah apolisha nemakoko akhe awomaphe lapha na kube right mina man of the match amnamuhla nginiketa Ntwari siyabonga Ntwari kusisa World Cup
Siyabonga.